quickly, look at this magic trick. Magic. Okay, with that said, let's get into it. So, hey guys, what's up? My name is Mark A, and welcome back to Creative Coding. In today's video, I'm going to try to reinforce what I've learned in Swift so far, and I'm going to try to recreate this game. This UI for this game. It's going to show up on the screen right here. So, yeah, this challenge is going to help me reinforce and become more confident with what I've learned in Swift so far. So, before this intro becomes too long, let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into it. So here I have my war game open to the right, and to the left, as you can see, I have my Xcode open with my code. I have gone ahead and created a file, and I've gotten all the image assets. As you can see, there is a lot of them here, from background, card 2, card 3, all the way to card 14, deal button, and logo. And so I'm going to be trying my best to recreate this on the right. So hopefully it'll look good, and let's get into it. So I actually don't need this tab open right now, but at this time I probably just need the content view. So I also tried to make this as big as I could. I'm sorry if it's not big enough. I'll try to zoom in at times. I think this should be okay. So let's get into it. So first thing is I'm going to need to change probably the text, obviously, to I can delete this text. And I think first thing I need to do is add a background. So if I'm adding a background, I need something there. So actually, let's just add that text just so I have it in there, and let's see if we can add a modifier. So I'm trying to see how I can add this background. Let me see if I have it as an image asset. So yeah, so I do have it as a universal image asset. So what I can try and do right now is put it in as an image. So maybe if it works like this, image, and then I think it's called background, and it says can't find image in scope. So I think it's called image background. I guess not. Maybe it's with a capital. Oh yeah, okay, so it's definitely with a capital. Yeah, it's with a capital, guys. Okay, so okay, what is this? What? If I take this out now, I think we'll go back to 1. Okay, good. So I see this problem that's not filling up the screen, but I think it should be fine for now. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and get that war logo to the right up to the scene, right up to the top center in the middle. So I believe this is gonna be taking some spacers, maybe some probably a V stack, something like that. So let's get into it. I just want to check real quick if there's a background tag. If there's a there is. Oh, that's cool. Oh my god, I did not know. If I put the name background in it, will it work? Nope. Okay, so after failing, let's get into it. So V stack, because it's going to be a vertical stack, we can put in our war image. We might actually want that in here, and you guys can follow along with me if you want. If you just want to watch that, that's totally okay. But yeah, so now I'm gonna have to add this image on. This is called logo, I believe. Oh, this is a problem. Okay, I mean, I could do Z stack. Yeah, so Z stack seems to be working, and then I can give it a spacer. Oh no, not Siri. Okay, and yeah, so the spacer, is that doing anything? Guess not. Okay. So I'm going to be coding for a bit here, as you can see. But yeah, it doesn't look too good right now. I'm trying to find a way. How about we put the background on last? I think that should work if we put the background on last. So if we put the V stack back. We can do dot fit or something, right? Scale to fit. Actually, I think it's a good size. So I want it to go up, so I believe that would be a spacer. And yep, so now it's gone up. And yeah, so I wonder if there's like a margin that I can add, dot margin or something. If I click on this, can I add a modifier to it? So let's see it. So yeah, I can. So if I give it a padding, I think that took it down a little bit. Yeah, what if I give it a margin? Okay, I'm gonna try and give it a background, guys. So, background. Ooh, never mind. Oh my, what is that? Okay, back to the basics. So, now I want to add these 3 and 4 card. So let's do that. So 3 and 4. So I'm looking for card 3 and card 4. So I think that should be in a horizontal stack. So this is the cool thing about Swift that I really like, is the fact that you can do stacks inside stacks, right? Hashtag Denny's, or yeah. So H stack. So H stack, and now in this H stack, I'm gonna have an image, which is card 3, I believe. Yep, and image card 4. Oh my, I am bad at typing. Okay, so problem is the card is white, so if we maybe put an image at the very top called background. I am not sure. If you guys know Swift, please type in the comments what I'm doing wrong at this point. Cause guess not. Okay. Oh, it just worked. You guys saw that, didn't you? Look at this. Oh, okay. I can do it in a Z stack and put it at the front. So if I put this in a Z stack and I put the image, if I put the image is green. So the image is green. Background will work. And I did it. I did it. Okay. I did it. What if we put this over top? And then that, and then another spacer. And another spacer. I am probably not doing this the most efficient way, but you know what? It's a learning experience. Now for these, we have to put spacers. Oh, oops. And then a spacer in the middle, because we want that space right in the middle over there. And then a spacer between here. Okay, so now we got that in the center, so I'm actually kind of proud. So now we need a spacer there. I'm doing it. So I don't think in real code I'd be using this many spacers. But you know what? It's working now. If you know Swift, make sure to comment below. Oh, I can't do more than 4 spacers, I guess. I can't do more than 4 spacers. This is a problem. No, I can't. I cannot. So if it's an H stack on the Z stack. So let me see what I'm doing here. So basically I have my background, which is in a Z stack, because Z stack has like layers on top of layers. So on my Z stack I have this layer, then in that Z stack I have my V stack, and my V stack basically has my image logo, and I'm just gonna zoom in. So I have my cards here, I have my image logo where it's supposed to be, and then I have these two cards way below, and in this H stack I have, or in this V stack I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that's why they won't allow me to do it, because I have 10, and the most you can do is 10. So yeah, so I can't do it. Okay, so yeah, so I'll need to find a way to do this. If I take out this, where does it go? Okay, so it goes down to the bottom. So I'm trying to find a way to do this properly. So I might speed this part up because it's getting pretty boring. So oh yeah, if you want to see the magic trick again, oh no, I dropped my cards. So if you want to see the magic trick again, you know, keep you engaged. See, it's magic, just like that. See this 5 can turn into a jack. Pure magic. Yeah, that deserves a sub. Just go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so let's get back into this. So as you can see, this is looking kind of like this, but it's a little more weirder. As you can see, definitely a little bit more weird. But yeah, so I have my image, card 3, card 4, and that I need that spacer there. And then I have 1, 2, and 3. So if I take out 1, what will it do? Okay, and then if I add it to this, what will it do? Okay, so I think that should be good. So in this H stack I have my in this H stack I have two Z stacks. So I believe I need to write Z stack. Okay, and in that Z stack we have a text element which is called player. And then right underneath it, it says text, and then it says 0. So yes, so as you can see, it is extremely small. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on it if I can. Okay, what if I just click on it? Yep. And I'm going to add a modifier to first of all make it the color white as it shows there. So color scheme. Can I not? What if I give it a color, accent color? Let's see what's happening to it. So, what if I give it a light theme? Oh, that did so much. if I give it a white, let me see, accent color. What's the accent color? Let's see, white. I am very, very good at Swift, as you can see. Oh, so in this Z stack. Oh, why would I do a Z stack? I need a V stack. That's the problem. See, now I want to call myself a genius, but I'm not, because I made that mistake. So now I have this CPU, so text, and then in here CPU, and then underneath it I have a text, which is 0. Great, so I have this, and sometimes, honestly, I don't really like using Xcode too much. I prefer Visual Studio Code. I think people who use Xcode can kind of agree with me, because I find it a little bit annoying. Because it gets very, very slow at times. I don't know why. It's just extremely, extremely slow. And yeah. So now I can put a spacer on the outside of this. No. But if I take the spacer out from like here, put it here. Okay, I think I got it down. So I got it down. I'm just going to try and change it to white. If I can't, it's okay, because I need to learn from my mistake. Let's go. I did it. Okay. Okay, guys, I successfully made the War card game UI, except for that, okay? We don't really talk about this this background, okay? So, yeah, so I did it kind of in a not efficient way, but you know what? I still did it. So, yeah. So, that's essentially that part for the video. Yeah. And card flourish time. I have my cards. Shoot. Okay, they're all over the floor. Anyways, I'll pick them up later. So, yeah, so great. So that was a new experience that taught me a lot about using components of Xcode. So yeah, by next video, I will try to finish learning all about Swift, and I'll give you an update in the next video of how much I've learned. I'll also try and find a way to really clean up my way of coding Swift UI, because oh my god, that was so bad. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how, like, that was not efficient. It wasn't very efficient, as you can see. But yeah, so this is very exciting stuff. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. So with that said, thanks for watching, live creatively, and I'll see you in the next video. Creative Coding out.